Welcome to the IQTouch CR1300 Pro, a 105-inch 5K ultra-wide interactive flat panel. Motion and light sensor automatically adjust viewing setting, conserving energy while maintaining optimal display quality. With supercharged efficiency, our split-screen capability empowers seamless multitasking without distraction. Let's try the integration of our 105-inch 5K display with the IQCLASS ONE interactive teaching software. Right now, we are conducting a live class with students both in the classroom and joining remotely. The goal of our display solution is to foster inclusivity, ensuring that everyone feels heard, seen, and engaged regardless of their location.